just to confirm today, Tyrone, we're going to have your first dose of AstraZeneca. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
How you like Australia so far?
I'm loving it. Takes out with sugar part.
I forgot to tell you that inside the subway, those black things, that's worms.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi guys!
Wagwan peeps.
Say hi to the people. Hi!
Hey Bobo. Yeah guys, so we just here, just came to a park here.
And Babe's gonna try Subway for the very first time for all our Subway eaters.
Tried it in Jamaica before. Remember?
Was it Subway? No,
It wasn't Subway?
It wasn't Subway, it was like imitated Subway.
Okay.
Yeah, it wasn't actual Subway.
Alright.
Yeah.
This is the park. It's nice and quiet, you know. Few people hanging out, kids and...
Yeah, a little piece by piece.
Hold it. Hold it.
Mmm.
Helen. What's sweeter? Takes out with sugar part.
I forgot to tell you that inside the Subway, those black things, that's worms.
What? Dry brown. Not drinking. Ah. Oh, the bird? Yeah. They're feeding. It's quite spicy.
Seems like everyone comes to this park.
Yeah.
Lots of people.
One thing I've noticed is a lot of birds here. Lots of birds, and they're not that wild.
Babe wants to eat them already.
Yeah, I'm just noticing that. Well, they're not gonna do anything.
Yeah, show the people them.
Birds coming around, guys.
It's like they think that you're going to shoot them or something. Because they kind of ran away fast.
Them good, man.
Babe wants to eat those guys.
Nah, I don't. Island. You playing around with the food, sir?
I'm gonna get you, Bobo.
No, you have all the space for run. Eh? You don't have to bump in or nothing right now, eh, Bobo?
Go, run. I'll go get you.
Run! Go! Footballer, Bobo. Woo! Yeah, you can drop and get up again, don't you?
Leave that alone.
Boys, give me this. Thanks. Island boy. Papa Island, Papa Island, Papa Island, Papa, Papa Gigi Bass, Papa Gigi Bass. Yes, sir. Run around, enjoy yourself. You love the outdoor, eh? Hey, drop and get up again, eh? Hey, run. Move them legs. Cute boy Island. Hey, Bobo. So you say you rest? Eh? You say your chill spot? Eh? Ah. Wagwan. You got leave for me? Thanks. And there he goes. Have more for me? Thanks. Thank you.
Island boy. I want to photo of you and him.
Yeah. Alright.
The ball was going to hit you on the head.
Oh my god. Hey, cute boy. Hi, Bobo.
Good boy.
Hi, cute boy. Oh, hey.
Wow.
Island. Why are you crying?
Oh, give me a smile. Give me one smile. No, you know what he wants to do? He wants to run.
Yeah.
He wants to run.
Oh my god, it makes my legs just closing like this. The ones that I used to have, my legs can be free like, isn't it?
They're both the same. Babe, can I push you high? Go high. Maybe this one's for a midi child. Try this one.
Oh, that's bigger.
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. Look, Island, Dad's going on it.
Sorry, my hips.
Look at that.
That's up.
Do you want me to push you? Hold him tight.
This thing's squeezed.
So what do you say? How you like Australia so far?
I'm loving it. Got a little bubble here. Hey, boo.
Woo! Dada! Alright, go. He wants to run. He wants to run, guys.
Island, seabird. I'll catch him. We'll go cook him. Go catch your bird. Yeah? Let's go catch him. Yes. Dada is here. Yeah.
Oh, it gives you a bit of a head spin.
Ooh.
Okay. You ready?
Woo. Hey, boo boo. Hey. Island boy, you feel like dizziness? Woo. Oh, that's really dizzy. Oh my god.
Oh, you gotta close your eyes, yo. Oh, Jesus.
Island. Woo. Oh my god, I'm super dizzy.
I'm so dizzy, guys. Shoot.
Oh my god.
Far out, it's worse than a bloody hangover.
Woo. Wow, that's crazy. Wow.
Get off, Daddy, get off.
No, I can't get off yet. That's really. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. You feel that, Island? You feel that? Oh yes.
Island.
We're dizzy. Ooh. You feel that? Oh my god, babe. That's really making me dizzy. Oh my god.
Because you're not high.
Island, are you dizzy? Huh? Dizzy? Ooh. Whoa. Your turn, babe.
What do you mean my turn?
Your
I
turn.
already had my
Come sit down with him.
Oh, no, because I know you.
What?
You're going to go fast.
No.
You're going to go really fast.
I'm not gonna go fast.
You're going to go like the Jamaican team, running team.
No. Come.
Yeah.
Sit down now. Oh my god, that's really making me dizzy. Oh my god, that's super gnarly. That's really gnarly. Island, how was it? Are you dizzy?
Pay up, sir. That's going to cost you.
Okay. Alright, mate. Oh my god. Can I even stand?
Can you stand?
I'm trying to. Think I can. What was it, Bobo? Can you stand? Huh? You wanna go again? Huh? Careful, you're gonna bump your head. Come. Come. You wanna go again, huh? He's so excited. You just wanna run around do your whole thing, huh? You the boss today, huh? You the boss today.
We'll go, babe, because I want to go to the shops.
Okay.
I want to go get some.
Oh, careful.
I'll cook some tinsel tonight, so just got to buy the meat. You know what it is, guys? It is, what is it, Thursday? It's Thursday evening, afternoon. So we're just gonna go down to the shops now and buy some meat. I'm cooking today, so let's hope Babe likes my food, guys.
Yeah.
If he doesn't, I'm gonna kick his bum. Nah, he'll be right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You busy still?
No, I'm good. Island, you seem like you want to sleep again. Do you?
Nah, we're going now, Baba. Hey guys, look at this. We just, oh crap. I hope the guy driver made it out safe.
Real, this truck is burnt up though at the front end.
Far out, big time. Jesus Christ.
Cha-cha.
Wow. Far out, man.
Something can happen sometime, I see.
Heat too, it's 30 degrees outside.
Yeah.
It's quite warm today.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
everybody's sort of like looking forward to the lockdown.
Yeah. Okay guys, so right now I'm about to take my first vaccine shot and I'm very nervous. I just hate needles. Yeah, like from ever since. But yeah, hopefully everything goes well, you know. I made up my mind to do it because, you know, we know what's going on in Australia as well, and you know, COVID is spreading like wildfire, so we have to do the right thing, you know. Yeah. So I have to do this for my family as well, so yeah, definitely. Not looking forward to it, but I have to do it. That's my thing now. Yeah, man.
Alright. So we're just waiting for the nurse to come back and give him the shot, and then we're good. We're good to go. Yay! Daddy's getting a needle. You don't get your needles. You already got your needle the other day, cheeky boy.
So just to confirm today, Tyrone, we're going to have your first dose of AstraZeneca, is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Temperature's good. And would you prefer your left or your right arm?
I don't have a preference.
Don't have a preference. Left is probably easier in this room, so you can do that.
I use left hand anyway, so
Okay.
yeah. That's what's up, guys.
Maybe
So
alright,
just
you
gotta
might
pop it
feel
up.
it, babe.
Just got to pop it into the upper part of the arm here. Okay. So nice and relaxed. That's it. Small sting. Okay. Just about done. Go. You still feeling okay?
She's very gentle, huh?
Yeah.
Did you feel that at all? Because I didn't.
It's done.
It's done. All done.
I didn't feel that.
How'd you go?
That's great.
That was good. Didn't feel it at all.
Didn't feel it at all.
Wow.
First time ever.
First time ever.
That was amazing.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Stay tuned.
One down.
One
more
down.
to go.
Yep.
So guys, I'm about to go frighten my father-in-law right now. He's sleeping in the car right there, guys. Okay. I got you. I got you, haven't I? I got you off guard, sleeping. Don't ever drop your guard. So we're at this shopping, what you call it?
Audi's.
Oh, Audi's. Okay. Yeah guys, so and guess what? I found mangoes. Yeah, I don't know what kind of mangoes these are, but yeah, it's amazing to find mangoes out here because y'all know me already. They have the shape of like a sweetie mango in Jamaica. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to try this, guys, and let y'all know how it tastes. So should I just get one or two?
Get one.
Alright, one.
Because you don't know if you like them yet.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
no, this one has a little soft spot.
You know how I don't know if it's the same as Jamaica. We go by the smell, right? They smell good.
Not really the smell. Once they're not soft and like too much, you know.
I think I picked the right one. Try. Guys, I don't know much about mangoes, but I think I picked the right one.
Yeah, very nice. This one is nice.
True.
Yeah. Alright. Thailand. What's up? Pop choy? Yeah. Oh, these look different. You guys, these pop choy look so different.
You can like stir fry something with it.
Yeah. Alright, so guys, we got some sweet pepper as well.
Yeah,
And
maybe
some
Ireland's
apple.
probably hungry.
Double. Thank you, boy.
I didn't bring anything. Where's the chip?
Oh, we're gonna need ginger.
Ginger?
Make some carrot juice.
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
Just grab like because they're like $40 a kilo.
Grab one piece.
Yeah, one piece.
Yeah. That's good. Alright guys, ginger.
Some things you can get cheaper here and some things you can get cheaper like at other supermarkets. So it just depends on what you're looking for. And yeah, I just need to get a plastic bag.
Okay. Helen boy, he's been a bit fussy, guys.
Fussy. Come on, let's go.
I have all kind of stuff here. I don't even know what the names of most of these are. I'm just, going along. Hey guys.
Irish? No.
Yeah, gonna need Irish. Yeah. We're back home right now, and I'm about to try this mango. The first time trying a mango in Australia. It smells very good, and as I said, it almost looks like a sweetie mango, but it smells different. So I'm gonna try it. Let you know. The skin is very soft. It's sweet. I like it. Not gonna lie, it's nice. This mango, I think, tastes very similar to a mango I've had in Jamaica. I don't remember the name, but yeah, it tastes very similar to a mango I've had in Jamaica. Yeah, it's nice, guys. Babe says it's not as great. I mean, of course, not as great as a East Indian, and you know what I mean, but it's very nice. It has its unique taste.
I'll stick to the Jamaican mangoes, guys.
This will do. I mean, I'm in Australia, so it will definitely do.
I like the hairy ones.
Yeah, we definitely have mango like this in Jamaica. Yeah, I've eaten this before. I just don't know the name, guys. But yeah, I can recall this taste. So baby's letting me try this. Let me try this fruit.
Rock melon.
Rock melon. So I'm gonna test it out. So don't eat the skin.
No.
I think I've had this in quarantine. It tastes similar now, no, for real.
But you probably would have had it fresh.
Yeah.
No.
It's very nice. I had it in quarantine, but I didn't know what it was.
Yeah, and this one, well, the grape's nice.
Yeah, they're nice.
They're USA products, you see.
Okay.
Now I'm going to let you try honeydew melon.
Melon.
This is another rock melon and honeydew melon. They're similar.
Yeah.